Good afternoon. Anthony Cryco here, Crypto. So I'm going to talk to you today on this video about cryptocurrency investment and trading strategies. So I want to give you some quick 8 kind of tips and strategies that may work for you or may not work for you. Now first, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investment advisor. I'm not giving you investment advice. I'm not telling you what to buy and what not to buy. I'm simply Crypto Cryco, who has been an investor entrepreneur for 35 years in real estate, and in the last 6 months have been investing full-time in cryptocurrencies and making some pretty nice returns. That's all I am, and I'm just sharing what I'm doing. So do your own homework, do your own due diligence, and invest carefully. So I want to just give you the tips for investing and or trading cryptocurrencies. Now, number one, hope you can see this here. Number one, hodl. So basically hold. You basically can buy your cryptos and just hold them and check them out in a year or so and see where they're at. Number two, cost averaging. So cost averaging is where you kind of follow the trend. When the crypto is on the way up, there's excitement. Once it gets to the top, people have confidence because remember, this is psychological. Now, when it starts coming down, people are selling. They're in fear. Now, they're in panic. Oh my God, what are we going to do? It starts trending back up. They get excited again. So you want to kind of cost average. You want to come in and out of the market. Buy the dips. Be patient. So that one is simple. It's your basic investing formula of buy low and sell high. Lock in profits. So you have to decide, do you want to just leave the coin there as in hodl, or another strategy that I employ is, as I start getting some profits and I'm happy with those profits, I take them. Increase your positions. So again, buy low, sell high. So when it's high, you want to sell. When it's low, you want to buy. So you're kind of always leveraging, and this kind of ties into cost averaging. Okay? You want to cut your losses. So you want to use stop losses when you buy a coin, whether it's 10%, 20%, 30%, 5%, whatever it is below what you paid for the coin. Okay, you want to balance your portfolio, you want to have diversity, and you want to be risk averse. So you want to do long-term trading, long-term investing versus day trading or swing trading. You want to buy blue chips and ICOs, similar to mutual funds or ETFs. So I like to diversify, and it kind of like spreads out my eggs in different baskets. Okay, so those are my 8 strategies for investing and trading cryptos. If you found this video helpful, subscribe below, comment, I'll get back to you. I'm here to teach you and share my experience with my journey on cryptocurrencies and how I'm doing. If you want to follow me, fine, but I'm just telling you and showing you what I do. Now, if you like, I have a free video training on cryptocurrency for beginners. You can check that out at bitcoinpassivemoney.com. Now, I thank you for watching this video. I thank you for your time. I know it's valuable, and we'll catch you on the next crypto video. Bye now.